CocoCon Essential Oils. Wanted to share with you a bathroom scrub with lemon and lime essential oils today. This is like a common replacement scrub that you can use for your tubs, your toilets, your sinks. Just a great all-natural way to clean your bathroom and support your health. So there's several ingredients. We have baking soda, white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, Eucalyptus hydrosol, and then Castile soap, and lemon, lime, and we're going to add a little spearmint in there, so linger aromatically a little bit more than the citrus oils. So to get started, you're going to need a bowl, a liquid measuring cup, a 1 cup dry measuring cup, a tablespoon, and then some containers to put your batch in. So I like to save, my recycled containers from the Chinese restaurant, or wherever you go out to eat. These are great to reuse for things like bathroom scrubs. So first step is we're going to do 1.5 cups of baking soda. And this baking soda I got at Walmart in the pool section. You can get a big bag of it. A lot more cost effective than buying all those little ones. So we're going to do 1 and 1.5 cups. And it can be about, you don't have to be exact. So there is our baking soda. Next we're going to do 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And your white vinegar is going to fizz, so I like to put that in first. Then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. And this is a smaller batch, so if you find that, you want to make up a bigger batch, double, triple the recipe, that way you don't have to make it as often. That's always a good idea. And then our Eucalyptus hydrosol, and hydrosols are the other part of the essential oil distillation process. And they're great for cleaning with, or also for other uses for the skin and whatnot. So 2 tablespoons of Eucalyptus hydrosol. You could also do like peppermint hydrosol if you wanted to. That'd be a nice alternative. And then next is going to be our Castile soap. And this is just an unscented Castile soap that we offer at CocoCon. And we're going to do 1/2 cup. Just enough here. Put that in, and then our last step is to add our essential oils. And we're going to do 30 drops of lemon, 30 drops of lime, and 20 drops of spearmint. So I'm not going to count all of these out and make you guys sit here and watch me. So I'm going to do a rough estimate here, but about, I think that's about 30 drops of lemon. And then we're going to do 30 drops of lime. And then last but not least, 20 drops of spearmint. You could also do peppermint if you didn't have any spearmint on hand. Spearmint's just a sweeter aroma, but the spearmint, all the mints, they're really great at making you feel like you have a fresh, clean aroma after you clean. So now we've got all of our ingredients in here. We're just going to stir it up. And it's going to be kind of like a thinner paste, almost like a toothpaste, really, is what it looks like to me. And then last but not least, you're going to fill your containers. Now you want to fill them a little short, because what will happen once you put your lid on is it's going to expand a little bit. So you want to make sure you leave like, a good maybe 1/2 inch from the top so that it doesn't expand and blow out over the top of your container. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. I hope you give it a shot. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or check out our essential oils and aromatherapy products on cococon.com. And I will look forward to seeing you next time.